Hey Tesla fans, it's Mike here, and today I've got something seriously exciting to dive into. You guys know I'm always on the lookout for the best tech upgrades to make our Teslas even smarter. Well, this one takes the cake. It's called Screenmate from TestLogic, and it's a total game changer for your Tesla's multimedia system. Stick around because I'm going to show you how this device is about to revolutionize the way you experience your Tesla. So, for those of you who aren't familiar, TestLogic has been known for making some incredible Tesla accessories. I've personally used their TestLogic V2 and it's been amazing, but what they've done with Screenmate is next level. Essentially, Screenmate is an additional computer that plugs right into your Tesla, giving you access to apps, features, and more that you simply don't get with the standard Tesla system. This thing is built specifically for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, but there's more good news. They're working on Model S and Model X compatibility soon. Before we proceed, I have a disclaimer. This is not a review. I have not had a chance to experience this product hands-on because it's still in the works. So this video is only telling you about the product and spreading awareness. Now let's talk about why Screenmate is such a big deal. First off, you get access to any app right on your Tesla screen. Streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and even navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze. You can stay connected to social media, check your emails, video chat, and more, all without needing to rely on your phone or Tesla's built-in system. And the best part, switching between the Tesla screen and Screenmate is as easy as a quick four-finger tap. Literally, you just do this, and boom, you're in Screenmate mode. It's super intuitive and doesn't interfere with Tesla's native functions. Now, this part is one of my favorite features, the USB HDMI video input. Imagine this, you're parked at a supercharger, and instead of scrolling through your phone, you plug in your gaming console and start playing right from your Tesla's dashboard. Or maybe you got some downtime and you want to stream your favorite shows in HD. With Screenmate, you can turn your Tesla into an entertainment powerhouse. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just browsing, Screenmate makes it all possible. It really adds a whole new layer of fun to those charging stops or long waits. But it's not just about entertainment. Screenmate also brings practical features, like its customizable dashboard. You can have all your essential driving information, speed, battery charge, energy consumption, and more, right in front of you. And if you need a clearer view of the screen, you can move or minimize the dashboard with a tap. It's just super easy to use, and for those of you who like to stay on top of your car's performance, this feature is a huge win. Another thing I really appreciate is the front camera integration. Sometimes we all need that extra bit of visibility, and having a crystal clear view of the front camera right on the screen gives you added confidence when parking or maneuvering. It's a safety feature that I didn't realize I needed until I started using it. Plus, there's the control panel with 24 essential commands that you can access with just a tap. Whether it's controlling your car's settings, checking notifications, or toggling between functions, it's all right there at your fingertips. It's like having a command center inside your Tesla. Now, this is another big feature that I know a lot of you will appreciate: Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. If you're someone who's been wanting more app compatibility with your Tesla, Screenmate delivers. You can connect your iPhone or Android and bring apps like Spotify, messaging apps, and navigation straight to your Tesla screen. No need for extra devices or workarounds. Screenmate handles it all. Now, I know what you're thinking. How hard is it to install? Honestly, it's super simple. Installation takes just about 10 minutes, and you don't need any special tools or skills. It's non-invasive, so you're not messing with the core Tesla system, and you can easily take it out if you need to. Now, I want to be clear about something. This product is still in the works and is not available yet. However, right now, TestLogic has launched a Kickstarter campaign for Screenmate, where early backers will get a great discount and a special bonus: a TestLogic V2 for free. I know Kickstarter campaigns can be tricky, but I have used TestLogic's products in the past and trust them as a company. I've used the TestLogic V2 myself, and trust me, it's a great addition to your Tesla setup. So if you're looking to upgrade your Tesla's multimedia system, you don't want to miss this. Click the link below, support the Kickstarter, and be one of the first to get your hands on Screenmate when it releases at an amazing price. I'm good at spotting valuable tech, and this will be a game changer. You'll also be able to find it at accessoriesfortesla.com, your one-stop shop for hundreds of Tesla accessories like the iconic Tesla neck pillows, which is another way to upgrade your Tesla driving experience. Head on over to the comment section and let me know what you think of Screenmate, and if you'll be picking one up, I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome Tesla content like these two videos. Until next time, peace.